Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Apple ID verification code not received on your iPhone. So let's start the video without any delay. Solution 1. Refresh your network setting. For that, open the setting application. Then tap the toggle next to airplane mode option to turn it on. Wait for few seconds, then turn it back off. Turn off Wi-Fi. Wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. Now you go back to the previous menu. After that you need to tap on cellular data. Here turn off cellular data. Wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. So if this method doesn't solve your problem, then you have to reset your network settings. For that, go to the general menu. In general menu, scroll down and click on transfer or reset phone. Then click on reset. Next, click on reset network settings. Enter the password of your iPhone. Then click on reset network settings to confirm your process. Solution 2. Check your iMessage settings. First go back to the setting menu. Scroll down to see apps and tap on it. Now scroll down to find messages and tap on it. Here turn off iMessage, wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. After that you can see notification, tap on it. Now you will see a toggle next to allow notification. If it's gray, it means it's turned off and you should tap it to turn on. Next, check the boxes for lock screen notification centers and banners. Now you go back. If this method also doesn't solve your problem, make sure Do Not Disturb is turned on. For that, open the control center on your iPhone. Then tap on focus icon you can see in middle of the screen. Here make sure Do Not Disturb is not turned on. Solution 3. Send a verification code again. For that, launch the settings application. Then tap on Apple account at the top of the page. After that, swipe down a bit and tap on sign in manually. Here you need to type your Apple account address. Then type your account password. Next, tap on I did not get a verification code and choose Send New Code in the pop-up menu. Now a new verification code will be sent on your device, which you have to enter here.